And so, as we celebrate with them today, we're gathered to witness their wedding and the beginning of a new partnership between two people who are very much in love. This wedding today unites two lives in love. It combines old traditions with new meaning, and it joins two families together, and at the same time, it creates a new one. It brings together the unique qualities of two very special people, and it multiplies their joys for all the days that lie ahead in their new roles as husband and wife.
Kailey, here we are. It's our wedding day. I cannot believe we made it to this day. Almost a year ago, you got the ring. Now we are getting married. We've been through all sorts of seasons, long distance, close distance, loved together during our encouragement. I've pushed you to do new things, and I cannot be more proud of you and things you've accomplished. I can't wait to see what we accomplish as a couple.
I started to wonder.
See, marriage is the uniting of two people, and it's a journey toward the uniting of two hearts. It thrives and lives on love and respect, the love and respect that you have for each other. And it should grow deeper as you grow older. May you never forget this special day, and may your hearts be blessed as often as you reflect on it. Marriage itself was ordained by God at the point of creation.
Babe, I truly could not say enough about you. You are perfect. You are the most beautiful, most loving, most caring, pretty woman I know.
You cover me completely.
I just can't wait. I love you beyond words. I love you always and forever. I just love you. Love, Kyle.
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary though. Didn't realize this could happen.
Well, I think God picked him for me.
This is more than imagine.
God, I can't. I never felt worthy until him and loved. And he loves me no matter what.
So the covenant that you're about to make is beautiful. It's sacred. It's an expression of your love for each other, and God blesses it. And he calls us to enter into it for a lifetime. Kailey, with this ring, I thee wed.
Kailey, with this ring, I thee wed.
I give you my promise.
I give you my promise.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
you shall not walk alone.
you shall not walk alone.
My arms are your shelter.
My arms are your shelter.
My heart is your home.
My heart is your home.
Wear this ring always
Wear this ring always
as a reminder
as a reminder
of my love and commitment to
my
you.
love and commitment to you.
Rising sun hits the sky.
That is the epitome of who Kailey is as a person. She puts other people first, and she prioritizes the happiness of the people in her life. But today, we get to honor her and her happiness.
Stars will show us.
Let's raise our ales as they lift their sails and ride the winds to somewhere sunny. Wherever that port may be, I pray that you will kindly remember these friends, your family, and me. Here she is.
And I really just want to thank God for bringing Kyle into Kailey's life. I mean, they complement and balance each other so well. And I see this light and overall contentment in Kailey when she's with Kyle.
The stars will show us. It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story in the making. At the start of something. Later than we could uncover. Holding on to all this wonder. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking. Rising sun hits the sky.
By the power vested in me by the state of Florida, I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. You may kiss your bride, sir. It is my pleasure to be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Kyle and Kailey Kaufman.